Hello everyone, this is Scott of ET Database, and I want to show you some structures I found on planet Mercury. Actually, I found it in the Wikipedia Commons area, and I'm going to show you the source. Here's the source of the photograph I want to show you, and it is huge. It's a big photograph, and I actually made it 3 times bigger, so it came out to 160 megabytes, and that's huge. Now this is on planet Mercury in Caloris Plantea. That's Latin, and it was found by the messenger. The messenger found it, and this is the actual photo right here. There's a lot of other interesting photos down here too. This seems to have some structures in it, but this is what I did, and I just clicked on this one, and instantly it went right to here, and you just pick it up and move it onto your desktop, which is pretty cool. So it's this one we're focusing on. Here's another structure hidden inside of a crater right there. You can see the arm coming out and parts of the building right there. Here's another strange structure. It really stands out. It's right here. Do you see this line of towering structures? Here, here, and here. Almost in the shape of an F right there. And it's not too far from these structures inside of this crater over here. Kind of cool, isn't it? And a few more structures. Look at those lines there. Can I zoom in to see those lines? Oh, little face here with a nose. And yeah, see these lines here? That's strange. Here's another structure, and it's a little hard to see. So what I'm going to try to do is add some deepening darkness to it so you can see it better. It's right here. I'm circling it with my cursor. Can you see this huge structure? Almost has like 2 legs coming out on the bottom. It looks like art to me, some kind of artistic structure, let alone the bottom of this crater. Look at that. Now it's back to normal. Can you still see it right there? Now maybe these are, maybe these aren't structures, but to me, my first glance just awakens things in my head that says, wow, aliens. That is just amazing to me because those look like structures right there. I mean, there's so many craters in this one photo, and most of the craters have structures of some sort inside, and this one's high detail. High detail. Look at that. Look at that structure there. Does that look natural to you? Well, for some, maybe it does. But for me, I have to say, 100% alien. Now in this crater, we can see quite a few things. Some very dark structures here and two tunnels over here. But there is some towering structures in the middle. Can you see these towers coming out above? This is the tower. Here's another one, a little tiny one. Can you see those? This is some amazing structures here. This structure seems to have 1 or 2 sides that are similar to that of a pyramid with little arms coming out of it. Can you see them right here in the middle? Can't really make it bigger. I apologize for that. This is already 160 megabytes and my computer's old, so doing my best. Here's 2 structures. The structure right here seems to be on top, very smooth and long, like a ship has landed on top of this in the center of the crater. Over here, there's 2 long things, kind of like arms coming out of each of these craters. Now, I added darkness to it so it stands out. But can you see this? Let's put it back to normal, 100%. Cannot make it bigger right now, but this is the best I can do. Hope you can see that. And these 2 arms, very strange. Over here is one of the pyramids I was talking about earlier. It's 3-sided, and you can see that really clear. But over here next to the pyramid is another crater with some unique aspects to it. Can you see there's like a arm. It doesn't seem to make sense. It shouldn't be this way, right? I mean, if it was a natural crater, it really shouldn't be that way. Okay, guys, I have some crazy stuff here today, mostly on Mercury, and just tell me your thoughts about this. Could you see what I was pointing out? Could you see some of the structures that I was trying to show you? I know some of these are a little strange, a little unusual, but there's some strange and unusual things hidden in structures on Mercury that I just can't explain. This is Scott C. Waring of ET Database, signing out. Like and subscribe.